In today's lecture, what we will do, we are just going to dispatch this load user function and we are going to display our user information. So I'm just going to open app.jsx. So inside this, we will check if the user is authenticated directly. We are just going to dispatch load user because this load user or user information should be available throughout the application. So that is the reason directly inside app.jsx, we are going to dispatch the action. So below this, we are just going to access is authenticated. Let me just come here, copy, and inside this, I will be pasting as well as I will access user information. Inside this, we are going to use selector hook from React-Redux. Then we will be passing state.user. Below this, I will be creating one variable dispatch, and for this, I will assign this use dispatch hook. And below this, I will be using this use effect. All these hooks are imported, and inside this, I'm just going to pass the callback function. And inside this dependency array, I will be passing dispatch. So here, what I have to dispatch? I have to dispatch load user. Inside this, I will be passing load user. But definitely, as soon as my application mount, I do not want to dispatch this action. Instead, I just want to check if user is authenticated, only then I have to dispatch the action. So here inside this if block, I'm just going to dispatch this action. Directly if we dispatch, whenever our application is mounting, we will have the error. So that is the reason if user is authenticated, only then we are just going to dispatch this action. Now below this, let me log is authenticated value and then I will be logging user information. I will come here. I will click on register. I will register with Sita, email, password, choose file. I will give this profile. Click on sign up. Okay, registration is successful. I will inspect. You can see is authentication I am having through and inside this user I am having complete user information. So as soon as user is registered, we will be redirected to home page and successfully I am able to access this is authenticated and user value. But now what we will do first, inside this user folder, I will be creating one file user dashboard.jsx. And inside this, we will write RFCE, come to app.jsx, and this is our routes. Below this, I'm just going to check if is authenticated is true, only then we are just going to render this user dashboard. As soon as we hit enter, user dashboard will be imported. And for this user dashboard, we are just going to pass complete user information as the prop. So inside this user, we will have complete logged in user information. So that user info, we are going to pass as the prop. And inside this user dashboard, we are just going to accept that prop. Now from this user, first what I will do, I'm just going to access this avatar URL. Let us see if we are able to display or not. Here, I will make it as capital U. Inside this also, I'm just going to make it as capital U. And here while importing, everything is fine. And here also, all good. I will be writing image field. From this user, I will access avatar. Let me show you. You can see inside this user, we are having avatar. And inside that, I'm just going to access this URL. So here, I will be writing URL. So inside this, I'm just going to check for the condition. If I'm having this, then this image I have to render, or else I will just come inside this images folder. Inside that we are having profile.png. And inside this alt, I'm just going to render profile picture. Now let us come to project. Now you can see nothing is visible. But if we just scroll down, successfully we are able to load user profile. Now for this, I'm just going to add the styling, import. I will come inside this user styles and inside that we are having user dashboard.css. Okay. If is authentication is true, only then we are just going to render this complete user information. And while logging in as well as while registering, what we have done, we have just set is authenticated, and if we are having user, accordingly we are just setting the value. So that is the reason even if we log in or if we register successfully, we will be able to load user information.